Hey Truebies, what's up? It's Chrissy, and you're watching my True Blood Addiction. Sorry about my appearance. I just got out of work, but I have this here I want to unbox with you. It was delivered today. I have not opened it yet, so here we go. And that is taped good. Should be using a knife. This was delivered before I went to work today, so I've been working all night just thinking about unboxing this. It's the stools. Vivian, you rock. Looks like I got a little bonus in here. The Shreveport Bon Tom Center. When Jessica was in the car going to get Hoyt's aspirin, and she decided to go to Fangtasia instead to feed on that bang banger. This is a replica. It's not on screen used or anything, but score. Vivian, you rock. Thank you so much. Now, I'm sure people in the group knew that I bought this from the group, and I paid $300, including shipping. Careful not to cut those. The stool seat. There's one. Now these stools are like extremely one of a kind. I'm telling you, I have been searching merchandise and all that stuff for years, and I have never even seen one of these mentioned. I haven't seen anybody have it in their collection. I've never seen them. There's the Fangtasia one. The rest of the stuff in here is just like the stool legs and like how to put the seats on the stool legs and all that. So, but those were the biggest items. And one more time, this is going to make a perfect addition. I am so thankful. Thank you, Vivian. And that's it for now. I'm so excited. I am at a loss for words. So after I get these put together, I will definitely show you the whole finished product. Thank you guys so much. Hope you like my first unboxing video.